Well, here we are, another update on the work that I got done yesterday. Did a lot right back here with the my whole electrical system, I guess you would say. Here in the back, the battery, it's a 100 amp hour iron phosphate battery, lithium battery. So what do we have? Well, let's see. Hopefully you can see, it's kind of dark. Battery, positive. Battery switch. Power, this cable goes to the battery switch. Battery switch, other side goes to positive bus bar. Negative side of the battery goes to a negative bus bar. So, whoops. So the trolling motor, positive side, 60 amp circuit breaker, which runs back to or here it is up here, the positive bus bar to the circuit breaker to the trolling motor. Negative side goes to the negative bus bar. Then I'm going to redo this. I'm going to make some holes, let these wires go through the bottom. It's a voltmeter. Keep track of the battery voltage. Not really necessary, but I wanted to do that. Also, two switches. One for lights. These are not hooked up yet. Lights got to be put on. And one for a horn. This is the cover that goes on top of the battery box. Cutouts to allow for wiring and ventilation. This is secured in here with some brackets that I had here, and then strap the battery down in it just to stop any type of movement. Keep the movement down. This I need a wedge. That's when it's all the way down. It can come back one notch and it's a little bit better, but I'm not exactly sure. That's probably okay. That would probably work fine. But we'll see. I'll try it, and then if it doesn't work right, I'll get some type of wedge plate. Okay, and then on the front, I took this trolling motor back off. I'm going to move this bracket out here on the edge. It gets a little bit of flex in there, plus I riveted it on, top rivet. I don't like it. It's solid, but it gets a little movement. And just the way for the lights and stuff in the front, I'm going to move it over to the corner. Over here. And this wire loomed, of course that trolling motor I did it so I could unhook it. The wiring. I think I showed this on the other one. It's all mounted in. The battery for the Garmin fish finder. It's a little box I got that wired in. This will be switched over here. Can you see that? Switch right down here. So I can disconnect that from the battery while the battery's charging and while it's not in use. And so what else? There's the lights for the front. Probably need a little cleaning. We have light for the back. So the next project is, I'm going to move that mount and then that bimini top. I got to shorten it up. I did show it. I was going to try to do that. Get it positioned where I want so I know where I can mount my Garmin fish finder. That's the biggest on the updates. Still got paint those handles, but yeah, this I'm not sure. I'd really want it right, like about like that, but there's no notch there, and that's why I need to shim it, because that I think is way too much. We'll see. We'll test run it and see how it runs. The other one might push it up on the plane that way. I don't know. I don't think there's enough power to really get too much plane on the plane. But anyways. So that's where we're at. Hopefully I can get some more done today. Later. Okay. That's my big update for today. We'll, this isn't very long, short, but we'll get this posted to YouTube. Thanks for watching.